Can you answer this ML interview question? What is a loss function and do you know the simplest formula to calculate it? Okay, let's understand it with a simple house price example. So what is a loss function? A loss function helps us measure how different our prediction is from the actual value. For example, suppose the actual house price is 50 lakh rupees but our model predicts 60 lakh. The prediction is different from the actual value, so we need a mathematical way to quantify this difference. That's what a loss function does. Now you might ask, why can't we simply use this difference between the predicted and actual value? The answer is because positive and negative errors can cancel each other. Look at the first two predictions. One has an error of plus 10 and the other has an error of minus 10. And if we simply add them, plus 10 and minus 10 becomes 0, but that doesn't mean our model made no mistakes. In fact, both predictions were wrong by 10 lakh. So simply adding the errors doesn't tell us how wrong the model really is. So what can we do instead? One common approach is to square the error. For example, plus 10 squared becomes 100 and minus 10 squared becomes 100. Now the errors can't cancel each other. This is called squared error. Next, when we calculate the average of all these squared errors, we get mean squared error or MSE. In our example, the MSE, you can see it is 156.25. A bigger loss means worse predictions. So during training, we need to adjust the model's parameter to reduce this loss value. Now remember this, a loss function measures how wrong our prediction is. MSE or mean squared error squares and averages the errors, and during training we adjust the model's parameters to reduce the loss. Save this reel for your next ML interview, or you can follow Techno Ratnesh where you can find all the ML interview questions and answers with simple explanation. Thanks for watching.